Hello all, welcome back to Redeeming Hope. This is episode 7 in our series, The Sound of Redemption. I'm Julie M. Lane, survivor, musician, and educator on a journey of restoration after a lifetime of trauma and abuse. Last week I shared how I'm using music, how I'm creating spaces for healing, and providing harp lessons. Today I want to talk about something many survivors struggle with. Learning to trust again, and how harmony taught me what safe connections sound like. For years, I kept my music and my heart guarded. Collaboration felt risky. To trust is just too scary. Not just to trust others, but to trust myself, my gift, and my harp. I question whether I'm capable of performing at the caliber that I once did, and with the ability to have confidence and steady my nerves. Finding peace within myself requires harmony. Harmony that balances my soul, utilizing what I'm capable of, and to be who I'm called to be. I cannot let my trauma and abuse override me anymore. I have to take control of myself. I have to be in charge of me. Yet harmony will bring about depth and richness that sometimes is hard to embrace. So if I am to play a very simple melody for you, then when I add a second voice to it, it becomes a companion. The beauty comes from two voices supporting each other. It's not overpowering, it's not competing. But then when I add even more voices, you do not just hear the words or the soul companion. You hear a community of voices coming together with the ability to touch the heart, the soul. And these voices know that they must trust one another, giving latitude to one another so that all are heard. Healthy connections feel like this. They're balanced, they're mutual, they're respectful. And not every relationship deserves a harmony, but the right ones make your world richer. This is what the Sounds of Redemption is all about. Learning, unlearning, and reclaiming our wholeness together. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this episode resonated with you, offered comfort, or helped you feel less alone, I invite you to subscribe and to share with others so that we can continue walking together on this journey of healing in music. You can also find more reflections, writings, and updates at juliemlane.com or connect with me on Facebook or Instagram at Redeem Thyself in 7 Petals. This is the Sound of Redemption. I'm grateful to share it with you.